This rifle sports the AIM Delta chassis, which is a South African-made, competition-focused precision rifle chassis built from aircraft-grade aluminum, designed to be long, heavy and highly tunable for PRS-style shooting. The Bear chassis, no action, scope or extra weights, weighs roughly 2.8 to 3.2 kilograms depending on variant and configuration. Its overall length is around 900 to 950 millimeters. It features a fully adjustable recoil pad, height and can, plus adjustable length of pull, allowing the rifle to be fitted precisely to the shooter. It uses a vertical style grip and ambidextrous layout similar to AIM's other chassis, optimized for positional and prone competition work. The Delta has a built-in full-length ARCA rail under the fore-end, so no separate ARCA plate is needed for bipods, tripods or barricade clamps. A large, nearly 90-degree front barricade stop provides a solid, repeatable reference against bags and props, helping control recoil and shot-to-shot movement. The chassis is designed specifically to be run heavy with multiple weight attachment points, internal weights below the barrel channel, ARCA rail weights and M-LOK external side weights.